I will say, it took us probably a solid year before we were able to find the solution that allowed us the flexibility to answer specific to each location. And it sounds simple now, right? But back 8, 9 years ago, that was really hard to find. I mean, we did demos with dozens of telephone VoIP companies, and most of them couldn't help us do what we needed to do. And once we found Talkdesk, it was like there was way more flexibility. And they're like, oh yeah, I mean, this isn't our typical use case. This isn't like everybody's calling 1-800 number and it's coming into one queue and then you're just helping from like a support standpoint. This is like, no, people are calling thousands of phone numbers and we have to be able to organize them in a way that we don't get confused. And and Talkdesk was the only provider that was willing to be flexible enough to help us accomplish that. And so that was kind of the first step into being like, okay, yep, now we're going to make Talkdesk work. And once we decided that to do that, everybody bought in.